Introducing the new NTO Matrix by Nineten. It's a slim and comfortable matrix system designed for day-to-day restorative needs. Available in 2 band width. The 6mm band is suitable for use in molar tooth, while the 4.5mm band is used for premolars and pediatric tooth. It has a toggle that can be adjusted in position according to case. The key is to keep the toggle towards the gingival side. It helps to get tight grip towards the neck of the tooth, thus preventing overhangs in restoration. The screw at the end can be rotated clockwise or anti-clockwise. Clockwise movement decreases the diameter of loop and anti-clockwise rotation loosens it. The appropriate O matrix is applied on the tooth and tightened to secure it. It encircles the tooth 360 degrees and can be used for a mod cavity also. Due to its compact size, it provides space for easy placement of wedge if needed. Removal is again very easy. The screw is rotated anti-clockwise to loosen the band and matrix system can be easily pulled out. For any queries, mail us at nineten.dental@gmail.com.